Let's make a smoothie. I'm on my break. So we need juice. So I'm gonna use this juice right here. And obviously we need the fruits. I'm gonna use this bag of fruits right here. Comes in its own little goodie bag. So that's a pro. So now all we're gonna do is, what I gotta do now is just screw this, just like that. Open the goodie bag. Just like that. Now, open up our juice. Woo! Oh yeah, that's pressure. Pour it up. Oh shit. First time making a smoothie in my truck, y'all. It's crazy. Let's screw it on. Boom. Now, let's see what happens. Okay, ready? Throw this away. All right, ready? Go. Okay. Now it's on. If you can see the purple. Ready? Set. I think it needs some charge. Okay. That's probably why it's dead. It ain't dead, but it needs some charge. Cut, what the fuck? Damn. I'm mad as hell. I guess it needs some charge, so. It mixed it up a little bit. Yeah, I guess it needs some charge, so I'm gonna catch y'all when it charge up and fuck. Literally says it before first use, make sure LED is green. Damn, I was so excited, y'all. I don't know why. It's cool. I'll just wait a little bit and I'll catch you guys when it's done charging, I guess. and boom. You can't like untwist it or everything's gonna fall, so you have to just open this like that. Drink from it. Look at this mother. It's actually not that bad. Yo, this is lit, I ain't gonna lie. This video is not sponsored by Ninja or nothing, but none of that. Bro, I promise you guys, this is lit, bro. This is a good thing to eat healthy over the road, drink healthy, drink your foods and stuff like that. Man. No, that's fire, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment what you guys want to see next, show some love. Let me know if you guys will cop something like this, man, because this was like $20. I found it off OfferUp, and best $20 I ever spent, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get back on the road. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.